Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by the chaos of managing a busy restaurant? Juggling orders, managing staff, and keeping track of inventory can be a daunting task. But what if there was a tool that could streamline your operations, reduce errors, and enhance your overall customer experience? Imagine a world where your restaurant runs like a well-oiled machine. A place where orders are taken swiftly, payments are processed seamlessly, and staff are always informed. This is the vision that TouchBistro brings to life. Benefits of TouchBistro: streamlined order taking. Say goodbye to handwritten orders and manual calculations. TouchBistro's intuitive interface allows you to take orders quickly and accurately, reducing the chances of mistakes and improving customer satisfaction. With customizable menus and modifiers, you can easily adapt to changing offerings and preferences, ensuring your customers always have the perfect meal. Enhanced inventory management. Keep track of your stock levels in real time with TouchBistro's advanced inventory management system. Receive alerts when items are running low, preventing stockouts and minimizing food waste. Streamline your purchasing process by generating accurate purchase orders based on your inventory needs, saving you time and money. Efficient staff management. Assign tasks, track employee hours, and manage payroll effortlessly with TouchBistro's integrated staff management tools. Improve communication and collaboration among your team by using real-time messaging and task assignment features. Seamless payment processing. Accept a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, cash, and mobile payments, to provide a convenient and hassle-free experience for your customers. Reduce the risk of fraud and errors with TouchBistro's secure payment processing capabilities. Real-time analytics. Gain valuable insights into your restaurant's performance with TouchBistro's robust analytics tools. Track sales trends, identify peak times, and analyze customer behavior to make data-driven decisions. Optimize your menu offerings, staffing levels, and marketing strategies based on the insights you gather. Success stories. Case study 1. Hear from a restaurant owner who has experienced a significant increase in efficiency and profitability after implementing TouchBistro. Case study 2. Learn how another restaurant has improved customer satisfaction and reduced wait times using TouchBistro's features. Comparison to competitors. Highlight the unique features and benefits of TouchBistro compared to other restaurant management systems. Address common concerns or misconceptions about using a POS system. Getting started with TouchBistro. Explain the simple onboarding process and provide information on training and support resources. Discuss the different pricing plans and customization options available. Recap the key benefits of using TouchBistro and emphasize how it can transform your restaurant operations. Encourage viewers to take the next step by visiting the TouchBistro website or contacting their sales team. Are you ready to take your restaurant to the next level? Don't wait any longer. Visit TouchBistro.com today to learn more and schedule a demo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.